The topic we are going to discuss today is clocks. Under clocks, we have two set of questions that are usually asked. One set is the one in which the time will be given and we are supposed to calculate the angle. The second set is when the angle will be given and we are to calculate the time. So there are some key points that you should remember before doing the questions. We all might be knowing that, but still for the people who don't know, it is when 12 hours is completed, the angle swept is equal to 360 degree. That is, when the hour hand moves from 12 and it sweeps all the way through and comes and reach here, it is just like completing a circle. And we know that the angle of angle subtended by a circle is 360 degree. Same way, so when 12 hours are completed, the angle swept is equal to 360 degree by the hour hand. And so in 12 hours, if it is 360 degree, in 1 hour what will be it? It will be 360 degree divided by 12, that is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, in case of minute hand, when 60 minutes is completed, the angle swept by the minute hand is equal to 360 degree. So in 1 minute, it will be 360 divided by 6, which is equal to 6 degree. Okay. 60 minutes, so it will be equal to 6 degree. Now we will do a very simple question. The question is, find the angle covered by the hour hand from 12 pm to 4:45 pm on same day. So here the clock starts from here, the hour hand starts from here and it ends somewhere here. So this is 4:45. So it's starting from here and it ends here. We are supposed to find the angle subtended. So from 12 to 4:45, 12 to 1 hour is completed, 2 hour is completed, 3 hour is completed, 4 hours. So 4 hours plus 145 minutes is completed. 45 minutes. So in 1 hour, we know that the angle subtended is equal to 30 degree. So in 4 hours, it will be equal to 4 into 30 degree. Plus, we have 45 minutes. This in 1 hour, if it is equal to 30 degree, it means that in 60 minutes, it is equal to 30 degree. In 1 minute, it will be equal to how much? It will be 30 by 60, which is equal to 1 by 2. So in 45 minutes, it will be 45 into 1 by 2. So 4 3s are 120 degree plus 45 by 2. What do you think is the answer? The answer is equal to 142 degree 30 minutes. Okay, it's 142.5, which is equal to 142 degree and 30 minutes. Sorry, it's 30 minutes. Okay, now we'll do the second question. The second question is to find the angle covered by the minute hand from 2 pm to 8:10 pm on the same day. Notice it is the minute hand. When it comes to minute hand, we know that in 60 minutes, like when 60 minutes is completed, the angle swept is equal to 360 degree. And in 1 minute, it is equal to 6 degree. So from 2 pm to 8 pm, we are completing 6 hours. So it is equal to 6 in